It is a local village market, and most probably it is held in the early morning. We can see a lot of people, a lot of customers and a lot of sellers in the market. On the left bottom corner, we can see a woman is weighing some vegetable, wearing a red and blue sari. In front of her shop, a father is standing with his daughter, and his daughter is holding a pink color basket. On the top left corner, we can see a vegetable shop with an umbrella, most probably for giving shelter from the sun, and a customer is bargaining for the vegetable. Beside this shop, we can see a man wearing a yellow color fotua is holding a basket of fruit or vegetable on his head. On the right bottom corner, we can see a beautiful woman wearing a blue dress or sky blue dress is waiting for some customers to sell her vegetable. On the upper side of the right corner, we can see a boy is holding some fruit and maybe calling for some customers to grab the attention and sell the fruits. A boy and a girl gathered around his shop to buy some fruits. We can see in the middle of the picture a woman with her son is already completed the market and leaving from the local market. We can see a beautiful scenario behind the river. We can see three beautiful houses, a lot of trees and a beautiful river. And the village market is holding at the bank of it. Thank you everyone for listening.
Thank you very much.